Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of the Bugatti Veyron. This is a car that rewrote the rulebook for supercars when it first hit the scene. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an epic journey through the history, specs, and iconic moments of the Bugatti Veyron. But before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our automotive adventures. Bugatti, a name synonymous with luxury and speed, traces its roots back to the early 20th century when Italian-born French automobile designer Ettore Bugatti founded the company in 1909. But it was not until the early 2000s that Bugatti set out to redefine what was possible in the world of supercars with the introduction of the Veyron. The Veyron project was officially launched in 1998 when Volkswagen Group acquired the Bugatti brand. The goal? To build the fastest, most powerful, and most luxurious production car in the world. The Bugatti Veyron made its debut in 2005, and it immediately turned heads with its striking design. Its sleek lines, distinctive horseshoe grille, and signature C-line, a nod to Bugatti's rich heritage, made it an instant classic. But what truly set the Veyron apart was its incredible engineering. Under the rear hood, you would find an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 1,001 horsepower and 922 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse allowed the Veyron to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds and reach a top speed of 253 miles per hour. Bugatti continued to refine the Veyron, releasing various limited edition models like the Grand Sport and the Super Sport, each pushing the boundaries of what a production car could achieve in terms of speed and luxury. The Bugatti Veyron wasn't just a marvel of engineering, it was also a status symbol, favored by celebrities, athletes, and car enthusiasts around the world. Its stratospheric price tag and exclusivity only added to its allure. In 2016, the Veyron's reign came to an end as Bugatti introduced its successor, the Chiron. With even more power and performance, the Chiron carried on the legacy of its predecessor and solidified Bugatti's position as the pinnacle of hypercar excellence. But the Veyron remains a symbol of an era when Bugatti pushed the limits of what was possible in the world of automotive engineering. It will forever be remembered as a testament to human ingenuity and a celebration of the pursuit of speed. Let's start with the front end, where the Veyron's distinct identity begins. The horseshoe-shaped grille, a signature of Bugatti, is more than just a design element. It serves as an air intake, allowing the massive engine to breathe while creating an unmistakable brand identity. Flanking the grille, we have the Veyron's sleek, narrow headlights, which are not only beautiful but also highly functional. These advanced xenon headlights ensure excellent visibility at high speeds, a testament to Bugatti's commitment to both form and function. Moving along the Veyron's side, you'll notice the perfect balance of muscularity and grace. The sculpted fenders and aerodynamic lines are not just for show. They're designed to reduce drag and provide stability at speeds that would leave most cars in the dust. And let's not forget those gorgeous alloy wheels. Lightweight yet incredibly strong, they play a crucial role in the Veyron's performance, ensuring that all that power meets the road with precision. The Bugatti Veyron is a masterpiece of style and exterior design, where every curve, line, and detail serves a purpose, both aesthetic and aerodynamic. It's a symbol of automotive artistry and a true testament to the marriage of form and function. The interior of the Veyron is designed to be as luxurious and comfortable as possible. The seats are made of hand-stitched leather, and the dashboard is made of carbon fiber and polished aluminum. The car also comes standard with a number of amenities, including a GPS navigation system, a Bose sound system, and a climate control system. The Veyron's interior is also packed with cutting-edge technology. The car comes standard with a digital instrument cluster that provides the driver with all the information they need, including speed, RPM, and fuel level. The car also has a number of driver assistance features such as lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control. The Veyron's interior is full of little details that make it special. For example, the door panels are made of carbon fiber, but they have a leather inlay that matches the seats. The air vents are also made of polished aluminum, and they have the Bugatti logo embossed on them. The Bugatti Veyron interior is a masterpiece of design and engineering. It is luxurious, comfortable, and packed with technology. If you are looking for the ultimate driving experience, the Veyron's interior is the perfect place to be. The Veyron is powered by a 16.4-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine that produces 1,001 horsepower and 922 pound-feet of torque. The engine is mounted in the middle of the car, and it is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The Veyron can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds and has a top speed of 267.856 miles per hour. It is the fastest production car in the world, and it held the Guinness World Record for this title for over a decade. The Veyron's engine is a marvel of engineering. It is made of lightweight materials, such as aluminum and titanium, and it is cooled by a complex system of radiators and intercoolers. The car also has a number of other features that help it achieve its incredible performance, such as active aerodynamics and carbon fiber bodywork. The Bugatti Veyron is not an easy car to drive. It is very fast and powerful, and it requires a skilled driver to handle it properly. The car also has a high center of gravity, which can make it difficult to control in corners. The Bugatti Veyron was originally priced at $1.7 million, but the price has since gone up due to inflation and the rarity of the car. Today, a Bugatti Veyron can sell for over $2 million.